What is a self-join and when would you use it? A self-join is a type of SQL join where a table is joined with itself. In other words, it's a way of combining rows from a single table and treating the table as if it were two separate tables with different aliases. Self-join are used when you need to relate rows within the same table, typically using some form of relationship or hierarchy that can be expressed in a table structure. Here are some scenarios in which you might use a self-join. Hierarchical data. Self-join are commonly used in scenario involving hierarchical data, such as organizational chart, family tree, product category hierarchies. For example, in an employee table, you might use a self-join to connect employees to their manager. Query is select e.EmployeeName, m.EmployeeName as a manager name from employee, left join employee m on e.managerID is equal to m.EmployeeID. Network and relationship. Self-join can be used to represent relationship within a network or a graph. For instance, in social network database, you might use self-join to find friends of friends or connection within a network. Query is select a.user ID, a.friend ID, b.friendname from A join friend B on a.friend ID is equal to b.user ID. Versioning or auditing. When managing historical record or tracking changes to data over a time, self-join can help you to compare or find changes between different versions of the same data. Example, select a.product name, a.price as old price, b.price as new price from product A. Join product B on a.product ID is equal to b.product ID and a.version is equal to 1 and b.version is equal to 2. Pathfinding and recursive queries. Self-join are crucial for recursive queries such as finding path or connection within a dataset. These queries may involve traversing relationships such as finding the shortest path in a network. With recursive CAT as select employee ID, employee name, manager ID from employees where employee name is equal to alias, union all. Select e.employee ID, e.employee name, e.manager ID from employee. Join recursive CAT on e.manager ID is equal to r.employee ID. Select star from recursive CAT. Correlating data. Self-join can be used to correlate or compare data within the same table, such as finding record with similar characteristics, grouping similar items, or calculating differences. Select a.product ID, a.product name, b.product name as similar product. From product A, join product B on a.category ID is equal to b.category ID and a.product ID greater than less than b.product ID. Self-join provide powerful mechanism to work with data that has inherent relationship or hierarchies within the same table. They are, they are particularly useful when you need to traverse and analyze this relationship, compare data, or create meaningful connection between rows in the self-contained manner.